Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear student. Today is your third lecture of science. Open your book, page number 7. Mention the date on it. In previous lecture, we have studied about body parts, visible and invisible. Today's topic is senses. Unit 1, the human body. Topic, senses. Do you know what are senses? The senses organs are the body organ by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch. Humans have 5 senses. Sight, you use your eyes to see something. Sound, you use your ears for hearing. Taste, you use your tongue to taste something. Smell, you use your nose for smell. Touch, you use your hand and finger to touch something. These are 5 senses. Now come to book page number 7. Let's start reading. Your senses. Humans have 5 senses. Sight, you use your eyes for this one. Sound, you use your ears for this one. Look at this picture. Taste, you use your tongue for this one. Smell, you use your nose for this one. Touch, you use your finger, toes and other part of your body for this one. Exercise है true or false, tick or cross. We have 4 senses. Cross because we have 5 senses. We taste with our nose. Cross. We use our fingers to touch. Tick. We smell with our mouth. Cross. We taste with our tongue. Tick. Complete your page number 7. Now come to page number 8. Our second topic is staying healthy. How we can keep ourselves healthy? You must eat the right foods like vegetables, fruits, milk, meat, eggs and bread. By taking these foods, we keep ourselves healthy. And avoid the junk foods like cold drink, pizza, burger, which are not healthy for us. Our body needs vitamins, minerals, so we should take those foods which are healthy for us, as I have told you. To stay healthy, just food is not enough for us. We should also do exercises on daily basis. You must play outdoor games like cricket, football. As you can see that in this picture, the children are playing outdoor games. Cleanliness also play an important role for healthy lifestyle. If we want to keep ourselves clean, we will save ourselves from different diseases like corona, flu, fever, etc. Corona is a fatal virus. If you want to save yourself from coronavirus and other diseases, you must keep yourself clean by taking bath daily, by washing hands before eating and after using toilet. Let's start reading. Come to your books, open the page number 8. Staying healthy. What must you do to stay healthy? You must eat the right foods. You must eat vegetable, fruit, milk, meat, eggs and bread. Sweet, chips, cakes and fizzy drinks are not very healthy. We should not have them very often. As I have told you, look at this picture. This is scientist. He told you that I am sure you want to grow strong and healthy like me. Now come to page number 9. You must play outdoor games. You must keep yourself clean. Have a shower every day. Look at this picture. Wash your hands before eating and after using the toilet. Now come to page number 10. Keep your nails short. Brush your teeth before going to bed and in the morning before breakfast. You must have enough sleep. You must wear clean clothes.
Here are some information to staying healthy. Healthy eating tip. Have a super breakfast every morning. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Now to come the exercise of this unit. Exercise A is your copy work. So come to exercise number B. Choose the right answers to fill in the blanks. Number 1 is, it is healthy to go to sleep dash at night, early or late. The correct answer is early. So write early in the blank, EARLY. Number 2 is, it is healthy to wash our hands dash using the toilet, before or after. The correct answer is after, AFTER. Number 3 is, it is healthy to shower dash every day, once a week. No, the correct answer is every day. Write every day in the blank, EVERYDAY. Come to number 4. It is healthy to play dash games, indoor or outdoor. The correct answer is outdoor. Write outdoor in the blank, OUT, out, DOOR, door. Number 5 is, it is healthy to eat a lot of dash fruits or sweets. The correct answer is fruits, FRUIT, fruit. I hope you understand today's topic. Read it again by yourself and do this exercise on your book. Thank you so much. Take care.